Let's dive in.
So how is Gen AI impacting your world?
The advent of Gen AI has brought some of the obvious challenges around new technologies and capabilities to do new things, but a lot of things haven't changed, and I think that's important to keep in mind. Gen AI is a tool like any of the other tools that we have at our disposal. And so while we can do phenomenal things better and faster and at some point cheaper, a lot of the things that we've done through transformations over time permeate, focusing on individual productivity, how do we maximize the individual experience, how do we prepare our workforce, and how do we take advantage of the capacity that we're creating for a positive experience for all? How do we look at end-to-end process transformation? All these stay the same, but we have this incredibly powerful new tool to help drive those transformations. But keeping our eye on the discipline that we've had in the past for these transformations is equally as important.
Can you share a success story or a use case?
There are so many examples of impactful use cases. I'll point to one from a recent client conversation I had yesterday, where one of my clients is using this capability with essentially their customer services organization. They have just under 20,000 employees responding to requests from the field to process insurance claims, etc. And Gen AI is going to be able to assimilate all the policies, procedures, and all the data that they've historically had to comb through, painstakingly so, to answer those customer questions. There's still a human in the loop to ensure that the quality and the accuracy is there per their standards, but it's going to make a massive impact on the quality of their customer service and probably the work experience of the customer service reps involved in the support.
So what are the biggest challenges you see?
There will be a lot of technical challenges, and I have great faith in our ecosystem partners that they're going to get past those challenges. The advancements in the technology, the cost of processing, and so forth is going to continue to come down, and the power and capabilities of the technology is going to continue to go up. I think the biggest challenges remain on how do we prepare as people and prepare our organization to adopt the change. New technology in the hands of somebody that's afraid of it is not going to be effective. And so how do we make sure the workforce is prepared and can embrace the new capabilities, similar to other transformations that we've had in the past. But this is going to be exponentially faster and more significant. So probably people, change, and adoption at the top of the list.
Thank you so much for your insights.